Hello guys, so my name is Harnoor. I'm going to tell you guys how to put a RAM chip, how to install this in your PC. So first of all, you need the RAM base, the motherboard where you put everything. So then what you have to do is you need a RAM stick, and then you see these two lines. You put in this thing, you put this in here like this, and then both of the side like this, and then you press it like this. You see the sound? Yeah, so this is how you install this. Look, it's fit. So this is how you do it. Thank you for watching.